Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down again to this ringtone section and tap on phone ringtone. As you can see, you can divide it between two different SIM cards, so you can set totally different ringtone for the first and different ringtone for the second one, which is quite nice. Here we've got also music on device and video ringtones, so you can choose something from your own files. If you've got something downloaded and it is compatible, you will be able to apply it as a ringtone. And here we've got some pre-installed options. At the bottom, on the other hand, we've got the option None, which means that after setting it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it. So let me choose this I option. And I have no idea why they're really loud. That loud. Alright, so this is how it works. So just tap on the option and then decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want to set this dream option. Make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.